Jai Hind, and let's parallelly also see the geopolitical landscape and how things are unfolding and what all is happening in this null period. Stick around to the end and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more such updates right here on Geopolitical Insider by Team MND, the Futurists. Now, the United States' decision to slash tariffs on Chinese goods, dropping them from 145% to 30% for a 90-day window, is not just about easing trade friction. It's a calculated geopolitical move in a world where every economic gesture carries a strategic weight. Now, let's be clear, the United States is not backing down, it's buying time. Washington is juggling two many fronts: military aid to Ukraine, strategic balancing in the Indo Pacific, and even responding to the rise of BRICS and the global south. Now, reducing tariffs doesn't mean trust, it means recalibration. You can't fight China and Russia at a full throttle simultaneously without draining your own influence. So here's what really happening. First, the domestic management. With an election looming and inflation still a political hot potato, the United States is strategically cooling trade tensions to avoid economic backlash at his own home. The second is divide and delay. Now, by softening its stance towards China temporarily, Washington is trying to avoid a full on axis forming between Beijing and Moscow. Now, it's about timing and sequencing. Don't fight both giants head on. Third is the testing China's game. Now, this pause is a diplomatic pressure test. Will China take the economic relief and reciprocate, or will it redirect those gains to double down in Taiwan, the South China Sea, or via influence campaigns in Africa and Latin America? Fourth, narrative war in the global south. With BRICS pushing de-dollarization and new trade architectures, this truce also complicates China's West is the aggressor story. It signals that Washington can still play the rational negotiator. So what does this mean for India? Nifty 50 ends above 24,900. BSE Sensex rallies 3,000 points to cross 8240. Indian stocks posted their biggest one-day gain in more than 4 years. Positive global news and regional developments fueled the rally. The United States and China eased their trade fight with new tariff cuts, and India and Pakistan coming to an understanding of ceasefire. As a result, every sector finished the day higher. The temporary US-China trade de-escalation offers India both opportunity and exposure. Economically, it eases global market volatility and allows India to strengthen its trade corridors with the global south, positioning itself as a stable manufacturing and diplomatic alternative. But strategically, the pause could be China's calculated distraction. With economic pressure off, Beijing may also direct attention towards India's northern borders and strengthen its deep state nexus with Pakistan. So this could manifest through enhanced military and intelligence coordination with Pakistan. So we are certainly vigilant on all the fronts, security front, while even leveraging this economic space to fortify our global partnerships for our future, reinforce regional supply chains, and even assert leadership role in South and South cooperation. I hope you find this video informative. Do let us know about your thoughts in our comment section. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.